Hello, let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Here is one division, here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this part, okay? So is equal to 4. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 4 is it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction. 4 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4. Multiply 4. Now cancel this 4 by 4 is equal to 4 multiply 4. So 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Okay. So the correct answer is 16. Okay.